In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OBS Studio not recording full screen. If your recordings look cropped, show black bars, or only capture part of your game, follow along and we'll get your footage filling the frame cleanly. Start by opening OBS Studio so we can check the scene you're using. Look at the sources panel at the bottom. Find the source you want to record. This could be a game capture or a display capture. Right-click it, go to Transform, and choose Fit to Screen. This tells OBS to scale that source to your canvas, so it uses the entire preview area. If you see red bounding lines after this, that's normal. It just indicates the source is selected. Next, close OBS and relaunch it by right-clicking the OBS shortcut and selecting Run as Administrator. Running with elevated permissions lets OBS hook into full-screen applications more reliably, especially with games that use exclusive full-screen or certain anti-cheat systems. It's a simple change that fixes a lot of partial or black screen captures. Back in OBS, open Settings, then Video. Make sure base, also called canvas, resolution matches your monitor's native resolution. For example, if your monitor is 1920 by 1080, set the canvas to 1920 by 1080. This ensures the preview area is the same size as your screen, preventing scaling mismatches that look like letterboxing. Your output or scaled resolution can be different for streaming or file size, but the canvas should reflect your display. If you've been using display capture, consider using game capture instead for full screen games. Add a game capture source, set the mode to capture specific window, and pick your game from the list. This method hooks directly into the game process and typically fills the frame more reliably than capturing the entire display. If your game is an exclusive full screen and still won't fill correctly, switch the game's video settings to borderless windowed or windowed mode. Borderless gives you a full screen look while staying friendlier to capture hooks. If things are still off, remove your current game or display capture source and add it again. This resets its properties and clears out any stale window bindings or scaling choices you might have clicked earlier. Finally, if you do stick with display capture, open its properties and confirm the correct monitor is selected, especially if you use multiple displays. Picking the wrong monitor is an easy way to get the wrong size or black bars. As you apply these changes, watch the OBS preview to confirm it fills the canvas, then make a quick test recording before your real session. That's it. Your full screen should now be captured perfectly.